let me show you something different. So we have a plant here that has leaves that produce water at its ends. So it's pretty amazing. So I'm not sure how it happens, but let me show you.
Arghentrock.
Alright, so this is the plant. It's this one. See? It looks like an alocasia or maybe a philodendron, but it's gabihan locally. So if you go to the tip, do you see that? There's water. There's always water at the tips. See? Oh no, this is a different plant. So this one, let's focus on that. Focus, there is good. There's also water there, see? There's water, look. There's water. I just got a drop of water from the plant. There you go. There, water. There. It's amazing. So this plant produces water. So I picked up something like this when we were exploring some orchards in Rizal. So I pulled it out from the ground. There were lots of them, and I think it's the same. So let's go check it out. Maybe they're the same. So let's go check out the new plant that I got from the book. Oh, where am I going to? Oh yeah, I think this is it. Ah yeah, there you go. This is it. Oh, there's it's withered. It's still alive. This is it. Not sure if it's the same plant because the leaves have withered. I think it's the same plant. Still alive. Yeah. So if you guys know what this plant is called, so let us know. And if you know anything about how it produces water and what the purpose of those tips are, just comment below. Okay, let's go over here to our new tree. If you could call this a tree. So Anna is going to attach an orchid to an air plant. Is that an air plant? Is that a bird's nest?
Ano, bird's nest to eh.
Oh, so it's one of those big.
Gusto ko siya here. Paano ko kaya
So
siya
this bird's nest plant can grow really huge. So if that grows big, it's going to cover this whole place. So all of this is going to be filled with this bird's nest plant. So are you going to tie this to the tree, to the trunk? So you used some coconut husk fibers. Okay, she doesn't need my help. So we're using this twine which we bought from the Dapitan street market. So this is called twine? Huh?
Jute wire.
It's called jute wire, but it's not a wire. It's twine.
Look.
So tie it up securely. Scissors.
YouTube.
These are some fancy scissors, perfect for gardening.
Ano kuya siya tatay?
You can actually order this online. Just go to the description of this video. Yeah, that's it. So just tie it there, and soon enough the roots will keep it secure. And it's our bird's nest. I think this is our first bird's nest. No? You have to take good care of this plant because this plant will outlive you.
Pinili ko yan sa San Jose del Monte.
It's from San Jose del Monte in Bulacan, SJDM. You can watch the video. It's uploaded. It's an earlier video. Yeah.
Ano scissors?
Scissors. Okay, there you go. So using this kind of organic twine is recommended because it will one day deteriorate, which means it's biodegradable. So it's better than using nylon twine or plastic twine because it's more environment friendly. It will decay as it should.
Nice.
Success. So there you go. Oops. There you go. Very nice. There you go. Okay, so it seems we have two bird's nests. Two bird's nests here. And there is a third, but it's not going to be placed here. Okay, what do we have here?
Okay, lagay ko na yung mga orchids ko.
Let's see. Let's go see.
Naman ako pa sa inay.
Oh,
This one, that
look at those fine orchids. So nice.
my photos.
Your pothos. Pothos.
Photos.
Let's not make the mistake of calling this plant photos. Pothos. Pothos. Orchid, see? It now looks very nice.
Galing ng laba.
So will you still be sawing this off so that it's level with the ground, so you can put a platform here so that you can put a flower pot? Same for here and this stump.
Lloyd, project mo daw. I-flap mo siya.
Madadami sa maliit na yun.
One.
So how's the little bird? How's the little bird doing?
Yeah.
Eh. Can I?
Yeah.
Up a bird.
Come on.
Lagay mo sa kamay. Lagay mo sa kamay nila.
Doesn't like to go on my hand. Okay. So this is Rio. He's our little pet bird, or she. So he's being raised by Kuya Lloyd. So this is little Rio.
Papa Lloyd. Rexy.
Rio is a lovebird,
May plant.
an African parrot. And
African parrot.
it's not in Africa,
Parang si Rio.
so the only way to care for this is to take care of it at home. It can't live in the wild because this is not her home, his home.
Or siya yung ginagin naman talaga.
This is Rio.
Verse.
What is Rio's surname? What's his last name?
Rear.
Rio.
Rear. Rear.
Oh. Yeah.
Rar. Gagawin pa ako.
Okay. Look at those toes.
Ito ng mayana.
Kuya, turo mo kung paano hawakan sa iyo. Tapos
Yeah.
kung paano buhat.
You wanna hold Rio?
Yes.
So you wanna have your own bird?
Yes, which I am having.
There's a new egg, right?
Yes, there's 2 eggs.
There are 2 eggs. So
And
Rio
one of
will
them is
have,
gonna be mine.
yeah. So Rio will have some friends.
Ay, paano ba siya?
So there's Rio. Yan, okay na yung laman ng ating coconut fiber hanging pots. Ayan, so dito mo pala nilagay yung ating yung gabi-gabihang malaki. Ayan ba yung tinatawag na elephant ear? Yung giant elephant ear?
Sabi nila.
Oh.
Hindi ko yung confirm kung ito nga yung elephant ear. Kung alam nyo,
Ano ba yung-
i-comment down below. Pero, hindi ko sure.
Ano ba yung iba pang tawag sa elephant ear?
Badyang?
Yun ba yung badyang? Kasi nalilito rin ako eh. So I'm confused about regarding the exact name of this plant. Because this is the plant we bought from the roadside sellers. Those farmers.
Sa lolo lang.
Yeah.
Sa lolo lang.
Yeah, okay, let's tell the story of this plant.
Sa lolo lang to. Sabi kasi nung nagtitinda, na pinagbilan namin ng ibang plant, kasi nasa labas. Sabi nila dun sa matanda na sila na lang magbabantay ng plant kasi matanda na siya. Tapos meron siyang asawang matanda na rin nasa bahay. Tapos ang bahay niya malayo sa highway. So yung matanda na yun is 80 years old na daw yun. Pareho silang nasa 80 years old. So sabi nila pag nabenta na lang nila to, tsaka nila tatawagan para kunin na lang yung pinagbentahan. So ayan. So, binili na namin siya para magkapera naman si Lolo.
Oh, ang ganda ng dahon eh.
Ayan.
Yung, naalala ko nung nandun tayo, dalawa yan eh. Merong isa pang parang putol yung yung dahon.
Ayan. 300 pesos.
300. Yeah. So, if any one of you guys watching know exactly what this is, just let us know. Let us know because we're not exactly sure what this is, and the sellers.
Yeah, mamaya gabi pala siya, di ba?
Yeah, and the sellers also don't know what this is. So we're new at this. So
Pag
help us out.
sa labas, to, parang neon ng pagka-green niya.
Yeah, it's bright green.
Yeah. Sa labas.
Yeah, it's really a nice big leaf.
Pag
That,
nasisikatan siya ng araw.
yeah, open it. Oh look, yeah.
Ganyan siya.
Yeah. It's ganda. Yeah, so this is the
May water siya.
yeah, there's water. Yeah.
Gabi ko lang siya nilagay. Nirepat ko siya.
Oo nga. Okay, so this is the result of one of our random trips in Rizal when we encountered this family selling by the side of the road.
May isang magandang mukhang saging pero hindi ko alam kung anong name nun. Pero mukha talaga siyang saging. Pero mayroon siyang ibang itsura.
Did we also buy that plant?
Di ba yun nandun sa labas?
Okay, show it to me. Let's show it to our audience.
Kaya ba nito ang sun? O
Yan.
yan.
It's like one of those flowering plants we have outside.
Hindi, iba yun.
Yeah. Those are
tungkod
different
ni San
plants. Yeah.
Pedro?
Oh.
Yan, sabi na nila. Ito mga banana.
Okay,
Baka
guys.
hindi siya gusto ng araw kasi yun.
Okay, we need your help again. What's this? Help us out. What's this? What kind of plant is this? Let us know. Okay.
Gusto ng araw? Sabi ko, ba't kaya yung araw?
Oo nga, no? Nagka-crow siya. I don't know what this is. Okay, so F.
Panty.
Hey.
Saka 50 pesos.
50 pesos. Okay,
50 pesos. Saka
60,
yung
60?
reduction, 50.
50. Okay, so this is 50 pesos. From the same family. So if you guys have the chance to pass by kilometer 41 along the Marilac Highway, check out that family selling plants. Worth a visit.
And this one.
This one is
Different back siya yata.
different batch. Okay.
50 din yan.
50 pesos. Also 50 pesos, see? This large a plant. Okay. Ba't mo siya? Kasi sabi...
Kasi, nasa maliit na pot siya.
Eh, teka. Kailangan malaking pot.
Baka daw kaya hindi siya, sa mga reviews lang ako, galing sa mga may experience na maliit daw yung pot.
Okay.
So,
Ano ba yan?
gawin ko. Enjoy. Matagal daw talaga to dumami, hindi kagaya ng golden photos.
Okay.
Enjoy to.
Nice tip yan.
Oo, sabi nila. Tapos, ayaw natutuyuan ng water, basta moist. Pero hindi naman.
Okay. So, see you around. Bye-bye.
Arghentrock.